But hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show my new video light. Guess what, I wanted to change my old one, which, let me show it to you. It's pretty small and inconvenient to set anywhere around. See, a lot of shades maybe. I need to buy more, but instead of buying these small ones, I checked online, I checked advices on YouTube and everything else, and I settled. So I went on Amazon and I bought the GVM Great Video Maker Studio Light. For today we're gonna see the unboxing, how it looks like and how it works. See if it works. I'm sure it works better than this one, but why not? Let's check it. Stay tuned.
You gotta hit play.
So let's cut the box now. Easy. And see what's inside. Oh good, we've got a bag with it. Nice. So it looks like this. Got the first box. Let's see what's in here. There is the tripod. Nice. Pretty sturdy. Okay. We'll check up on this when I'm gonna take everything out. This is the little purse. Okay, that's the soft box. This is the soft box with everything inside. Let me just we're gonna check what this is. And the big bag. It's very good if got a bag with it, because otherwise I'm not sure what I would have done. It's convenient. Let's see what it does. And here it is. We've got here, should be the diffuser. Yes, it is. Not plastic, good. That, as far as I know, is a protection for the light bulb. This is the power cord, nice. The adapter and everything. Yeah, okay. This is for the adapter to mount it on the tripod. I know that, I'm gonna show you when I'm gonna take everything out. We've got the user manual here. This is a pad, good, nice protection. And now the beauty. The main thing is here. This is it. That's the LED light here. And let's start mounting it. Check it after this. And now, the tripod. Let's see how we do it, because it's the first time. I'm not sure. Okay. Do like this. Alright. Bring something around. I hope not. So you see, he's got a screw here, twisted, and you open it like an umbrella. Do it? Come on, come on, come on. Yes, we do. Let's say we set it up like this, a bit lower, to see the logo. Mount it back. GVM logo. No, okay. Now, first, see how the poles are working, see how high it can be. Alright, first the second pole, twist it again, and here is another one. No, but what? Okay, I'm not sure what's happening with this one over here, but we'll see. So we got the power lid. Stick it in here until it clicks. And you've got the next one. What I really like is this, I'm not sure how to call them, like buckles or something like that. They're Velcro, so you might as well use them anytime, anywhere. And doesn't matter how many times you want. If for some purpose sometimes you like to keep the cables very neat. I'm gonna take this off and come back. The power lid is pretty long, they say 6 meters, but I'm not sure. 2 or 3, something like that, but it's long anyway. I mean, for my personal use, I'm not sure if you guys have huge rooms. We're gonna connect it and then plug it in. And now, let's turn it on. So on the top of the display, we've got the channels. Press this button here. You can select the brightness from the dial. Let's slide all the way up to 100%. I'm not sure. You can look straight on it with 100%. It should be bad for your eyes. And now the color temperature. You press the knob in the middle. And now let me turn off the light to see with the light turned off, because this is where the light turned on. So turn this off. Turn off the light. Pretty bright, isn't it? Ooh. 65. 100% brightness. Okay, so about 53. Color temperature. Again, channels. You can always control this with a phone, which I'm gonna install for you, and I'll show you just a few things about it. And now let's see how the diffuser works. Is it brighter? Is it better? Let's check it. This is the one. I like to keep the phone here, just not to scratch it. What we have to do, we've got these small holes over here. Stick it in, click, just turn it a bit, and that's it. There's the release knob here. Whenever you want to take it off, just push the release knob, twist it, and it's off. What I like very much about this, there's no light bulb, you know. See if you break it, if you lose it. No, that's it. But before that, let me show you something else. This is a protection for the light. I'm not sure, against dust or any heat, something like that. Whenever you're not using it, I think you should leave it like that. Twist it again, take it off. Now, the diffuser back in. Click, turn it, and on. And now with the app is easier to work with it, because you might as well be in the back of a desk, or you just, even if you're standing, I mean, you don't have to go all over in the back. Turn the knob, see, dial it again, and so on and so forth. You just install the app, and then from the app you can turn it on, turn it off, turn it on again. See the color temperature, set it up in the app. Okay, the brightness until it goes off. It's very useful. I advise you to install the app. It's much better like that. So if you like this video and you find it useful, please share, like and subscribe. Help on your channel. Thank you very much.